This problem is similar to question 6, but there's one really important difference, and that's this subtraction sign here. What does this subtraction sign mean? That means everything that's inside these parentheses is being subtracted. So I'm subtracting everything inside these parentheses. Okay? Now, nothing's happening with this first set of parentheses. These are just 6x squared minus 10x plus 2. Okay. But now, look, I am subtracting 4x squared. Okay, now I'm subtracting negative 5x. What happens when I subtract negative 5x? That becomes plus 5x. When we subtract a negative, that becomes positive. I'm subtracting positive 10. I'm subtracting 10. Okay, and I want you to really observe what happened here because you don't have to think super hard about it every time. Look, this was positive, it became negative. This was negative, it became positive. This was positive, it became negative. Okay, so what happens is if we're subtracting numbers, they end up changing signs. Okay, so a positive will become a negative and a negative will become a positive. And now I'm going to go ahead and do just what I did in the last problem, which is I'm going to combine like terms. So I'm looking for like terms with 6x squared. I notice this other x squared over here. 6 minus 4 is 2. That's 2x squared. Again, notice the exponent is not changing. I'm looking for like terms with negative 10x, so I'm looking for another term with an x. It's here. So negative 10 plus 5, that's negative 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And positive 5, right? These cancel out because negatives and positives cancel, and I'm left with 5 negatives. So this is minus 5x. And then finally I have 2 minus 10. That's negative 8. 2 minus 10 is negative 8. And this is my answer, okay? Notice the first step was different. Instead of just rewriting it without parentheses, I had to distribute that negative sign, okay? But then after that, the second step was the same as problem 6. I was just combining like terms.